Hello, welcome back to Coding Everywhere. Today we will continue coding in Python the solution to our inequality problem. I will show you how to create a collection of variables, also called a tuple in Python. I will create a collection or a tuple for each variable. The collection will contain all the attributes of that variable, that is, the name, the description, the value, and the units. Then I will show you how to unpack the content of that collection and call the print variable function. I will use uppercase letter for the names of the tuples. I will start by copying the invocations of the print variable functions and paste it here. And I will say capital B is the tuple for B, capital T, capital F, and capital X. Okay, so we have B has name, description, value units, name, description, value units for T, and so on for F and for X. Now, when I'm calling the print variable functions, instead of calling all those variables, I will just say unpack, which is the asterisk character, tuple B. So this is the content of capital B, which is here on this line. So I will do the same thing for T, for F, and for X. Okay, so what I have, I am describing every variable, name, description, value, units, and then I am saying display the problem using the content of the file problem.txt, and then printing each variable by saying print the content of its own tuple. I will save the file and execute it. I am expecting the very same result. So, okay, so I have the same result. So today we'll learn how to pack in a tuple a collection of variables and how to unpack it later when calling a function. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe to Coding Everywhere channel to be updated whenever new videos are uploaded.